Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. It's July 8th. Here's an emergency update. If you saw the video I posted yesterday where I did an amputation on the lobe, well, this pumpkin, I cut the lobe off. This is number 4th on the secondary of the big bubbles. Attempt to grow 3 pumpkins on 1 plant. But I'm having second thoughts on this. I cut this off yesterday. I sulfured it, fungicide, and taping it today. It has only grown 1.5 inches, while the others, the one in the main vine, which is right on schedule to be as big as Mama, the 2043, it is on day 18 today, 68 inches. It grew 4 inches. Number 5 pumpkin, it grew 3 inches. It's on a 5th secondary over there on the west side of the plant. It grew over 3 inches in circumference, which isn't great, but it's still good growth. I mean, it's okay. But this one here only grew 1.5 inches, and with the funky monkey, you know, Bubba might be crazy, but he's not stupid. All right, this pumpkin's coming off. I'm going to cut it off. This pumpkin is 19 days old today, and some people always ask me, hey, Bubba, you got any pumpkins you want to sell for Halloween? Well, this one's for sale. Anybody wanting to purchase a pumpkin, you keep this in your fridge till Halloween, and you'll have a nice jack-o'-lantern. This is probably somewhere, I don't know, 100 pounds maybe. Anyhow, she's gone. I'm not going to take the chance of the funky monkey spreading into this plant. Whatever's going on inside this pumpkin, it ain't good if it's only growing 1.5 inches in 24 hours in circumference. So there you go. Then there was 2. And I'll warn you, Mr. 5th Secondary, if you don't keep up with the program, you're next. All right? The main vine pumpkin is right on schedule. It may end up being 1 inch bigger than Mama. If it keeps the 4-inch circumference pace going, it'll be as big as Mama on day 20. And I've increased my water. I found out on 1,300 square feet, I was doing 120 gallons of water a day. I think I'm going to up that to like 200 gallons of water a day. I'm going to do 100 in the morning and 100 in the evening, because the weather, it will not rain. It is hot, dry, good growing weather, but you better lay the water to them. I have a fan on the stump, and I've got the stump cover tipped back, letting get good air to it. I'm making sure that I don't get overwatered around my stump, or she'll blow a gasket and I'll have a Mr. Foamy. But hey, keep them growing. I'll do a day 20 video here. This main vine pumpkin will be day 20 on Tuesday, July 10th. And we'll have a video. Stay tuned for the Tiny Bubbles ×2 new edition. Hey, growing with Mark's Mixes at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. We'll talk to you soon, and remember, don't you grow no ugly pumpkins.